Everything feels like midnight. Silent cries in the void. This life I can't avoid. Fight the shadows in my mind. Battle scars of the blind. Clashing with the ghosts unseen. Raging in the in-between. Fists clenched, tearing through memories of the few. Left behind mangled wrecks, trying to connect.